The Centipede Workstand requires no assembly, but sets up in seconds, allowing you to work where you want to and how you want to. The Centipede is lightweight and portable, but still rugged enough for nearly any need around the job site. The Centipede comes with a convenient storage bag, a pair of quick clamps for work holding, and a set of 4 X-cups that work with the swivel P-tops on each strut to hold common 2x lumber on the flat or on edge, getting you up off the ground where you can work safely and comfortably. Optional accessories make the Centipede Workstand even more versatile. There's even a set of risers that raise the work height from 30 to 36 inches. The Centipede is available in 4 sizes, and the 6-strut model shown supports 2,500 pounds. The Centipede work support sets up fast, is flexible and strong enough to accommodate whatever the job requires, allowing you to do more with less setup.